Hey gang, it's Jim from MyWebSource1. Welcome to another video about understanding web design for beginners. Today we're going to talk about a question a few readers have had about understanding the difference between web hosting and domain names. Many new website owners just don't understand why they need to have a hosting plan or a domain name in addition to their website. The reason you have to purchase these items is because to own a website, you need to have it stored somewhere and people have to be able to find it. To help you understand it a little easier, let me give you an example. Let's pretend you're a barber. You want to go into business for yourself, so you gather up all of your barber tools, the scissors, the clippers, the barber chair, and the towels, and then you take this information and you put it into what will be your new website. The next step is to find a building to put all of that stuff in. You can find all sorts of buildings that may suit your needs, expensive buildings and cheaper buildings. For your website, this would be what you would call your hosting plan. It can cost different prices depending on how many features you would like to be in it. Finally, you have to come up with a name for your new business. Without a name, people will have a hard time finding you. The same holds true with the internet. You have to come up with a way for customers to locate you. This is your domain name. It's basically a sign that you would put up on the front of your shop. The domain name has to be unique for your business. The internet is a huge town, and you can't have two businesses with the same name. The domain name also has to have a top-level domain. This is a .com, a .net, a .info, or one of the other 50 or so top-level domains. Think of this as the street name. .com is the name most people will recognize because you will think of this as Main Street. Your business wants to be on Main Street. When you finally pick the hosting plan, domain name, and top-level domain, you are ready to attach your website to the internet and open up for business. And that's it. The hosting plan is where you put all of your files, and the domain name is the name of your website so people can find you. If you are wondering about the cost of a hosting or domain name, here's a good rule of thumb. You should plan on about $10 to $15 a month for your hosting plan. The hosting companies charge by the year, so you're probably looking at a cost of about $120 plus, whatever else it costs. Domains are a lot cheaper. You'll usually end up paying only $15 to $20 per year depending on what you choose, such as a .com, .net, or .info. Oftentimes you can get a good deal on these, so look around. I hope this helps you in understanding the difference between hosting and domain names. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me an email at info@mywebsource1.com. That's info, the @ symbol, mywebsource, the number 1.com. Or call me at 330-207-4322. Also, if you're interested, check out my new lead generation websites available at the website wadsworthwebdesign.com. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. These lead generators can bring you a lot of traffic into your website, and if you don't already have a website, they can provide you with a web presence online and drive traffic to your business via the phone. Have a great day and keep building your footprint on the web.